Philippines.
Philippines?
Yeah. What's your country?
Oh, Sudan. In Africa.
Africa. Wow. How did you come here? Yeah.
Yeah. I came like refugees long time ago.
Oh, refugees. What year? Your father?
Huh?
It's your father?
My father, yeah.
Ah, yeah.
Long time.
So you are born here?
No, no, no.
Ah, no. You were a kid. You were a kid.
Yes.
Oh.
That's
How old?
like 25 years ago.
Oh, how old are you at the time?
Around 20.
Oh, 20 years old. So you have family here?
Huh?
You have family, kids?
Yes.
Oh, good. So they are American citizen also.
Yes.
That's good.
You have family here or you alone?
I'm visiting. I'm from the Philippines. I'm visiting my relatives, friends. Yeah. I love America. Yan yung Uber driver ko. What's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
My name is Muhammad.
Muhammad. You're Muslim?
Muslim, Alhamdulillah.
Yeah, Muhammad.
You too?
No, I'm not Muslim. Most of Muhammad are Muslim.
Muslim, yeah.
Yeah.
And too many people from Philippines, Muslims.
Huh?
Also,
Yes, Mindanao.
Yes, many
Yeah.
people, yeah.
From Mindanao, in Luzon also, yeah. We have lots of Muslims and Chinese. Yeah. Pinoy. Chinese Pinoy. Yeah. My relative, the one who booked my Uber, is a nurse. ICU nurse in that hospital. Yeah.
Today you're going to Philippines?
No, I'm going to other state.
Other state.
Yeah. I will be leaving America on July 6th in San Diego. Yeah.
So you're going to San Diego?
Yeah. San Diego, yeah. Because when I bought my ticket, Manila, San Diego, Manila. So, and then my cousin booked me, hey, you have to visit Texas. So I visited Texas. So.
San Diego is very good.
San Diego?
Yes.
Yeah, I will be celebrating 4th of July. I'm excited, yeah?
It's so nice.
Yeah.
With the beach and everything. Yeah.
Fireworks. They said nice fireworks and party. Yeah. I'm excited. 4th of July, it's my first time to celebrate here. The last time I was here in US, that was 2017. And it was November until December. Yeah. I experienced the Black Saturday. Yeah. Saturday? Is that right? Or Friday? Black Saturday? Or Black
Friday.
Huh?
Black Friday.
I'm wrong. Black Friday. It was sale. It's nice to go to shop. You know, if it is Black Friday. I shopped before and I got lots of good deals. Sale.